My first attempt at using the bead roller and English wheel. Turned out almost okay. So initially when I did this plate, I put in a very big bead without any pre-stretching, or in other words any bead from the other side or the English wheel. So it distorted quite a lot, but I think this could be on its way to becoming usable, but I will anyway make a new one just to test it out and learn. So yeah, first attempt, still a bit happy about this. And the bead roller, one from Amazon, and the English wheel from Pela. For me,